Alright guys, today I just beat Dismal Duststorm. This level is kinda decent. It's kind of the last GDDB level that I actually think is gonna be fun. I mean, some of them are still decent, but the last three are gonna be kind of annoying. Yeah, I got kinda unlucky with this level. I wouldn't call it... It's weird. You'll see. My experience was weird. Yeah, this level was pretty decent. Let's get into it. Yeah. Alright, first attempt. Pretty good first attempt. Damn. I'm still not used to that transition for some reason. Anyways, yeah, 45. Oh, that's a really stupid death. I've learned that part. I don't know why I don't know how to do it. Oh my god, bro, I just can't remember to do that part, apparently. That was so late. Wait, I swear, there was a block under that, and I might be schizophrenic or something, but I swear there's a ton of differences in the start machine copy. I keep forgetting what to do, and I already thought I died. Oh my god, bro. Oh. I don't even know what I did. 60! Bro. This level could be insane demon, and I would not care. Like, it's just right in the middle. I can't focus. I don't know why. Alright. Since I always get really lucky on attempt 1, pretend this is the attempt 1. Alright guys, attempt 1. What the fuck was that, bro? That was not attempt 1. That was a certified attempt 5. That too. I swear, I'm on low detail mode. I swear, the transition's different or something, bro. I'm genuinely confused though. Why can I not do the wave? Okay. Okay, now that I am consciously thinking about it, it's probably not going to be as likely. But considering that that's pretty close to the end already, I think that my nerves might not even be that bad when I get to the end. %1% new best, let's go. Oh my god, bro. My brain cannot fucking handle just the whole wave for some reason. I don't get it. Like, it's not even hard. Like, what is this? What is this progress? Alright, now I'm gonna beat it. I don't get it. Like, I genuinely don't get it. Why can I not just do it? My brain just literally turned off. What the hell? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. I'm so bad. Bum 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 bum. I don't fucking get it. I don't fucking get it. I said this like the exact same thing earlier. I finally hit that spike. I finally hit that spike again. I finally didn't hit that spike. What? Was I genuinely, I don't know. Was I too late? That 100% looked good. I don't fucking get it. I'm also just fucking not. I feel like I'm not. This is not good video material. Like with Windstorm, enough was happening, but this is just, yeah. So it was kind of just boring. How the fuck was I too late, bro? I actually am really fucking pissed off. I don't get it. What do you mean? I don't. Oh yeah. I have way more deaths than that, I'll be honest. That's bullshit. It probably just doesn't even count with some. I've legit died here like 1,000 times. I have been dying here for thousands of years. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. Like, I am actually getting pissed off. I don't fucking get it. Holy shit, bro. Ooh, wow, a run. Wow. Wow. 56 to 100. I think that's just the wave. Yeah, wave to 100. That means that I should be able to do it, right? Oh my fucking god. Oh, I'm going to fucking kill myself. I don't even fucking care. What the fuck? I didn't... Huh? That is very bullshit. Okay, I would really like it if I could actually make progress. I legit, like, really need to beat this level soon. Because I kind of gotta do stuff. It's like 8 right now as I'm writing this, but I have to wake up early tomorrow. And I also haven't eaten dinner. That's the main problem, honestly. What? What the? Huh? I am genuinely discovering so many new deaths. Like, basically every death is a new death. I'm going to fucking kill myself. It's all the difficulties in the ending. But I've only got there twice just because my brain. Like, it's stupid, bro. I'm going for boss Loretta partially. So I should be able to do already gameplay, but I just can't. My brain can't handle the drop of this level for some reason. That was like this, bro. I'll be honest, that's literally the easiest click in the whole ending. I don't know why I died. Yeah, I'm just really bad at this game. What? Oh my god, bro. Holy shit, bro. Alright, finally. I definitely could have got more lucky. I don't know. Yeah, this level is kind of weird balancing. It's like, here, I will explain it in depth even though nobody cares. So, alright, so I'd rate this level like 7 out of 10. It's still good. Like, I don't know, I just couldn't enjoy it as much as like a windstorm. Yeah. See, it says its timings on the GDB, but I'll be honest, this is also a memory level. Alright, I am yapping. So, goodbye. So yeah, I beat it. This video's even longer, even though my attempt count was lower than Windstorm. That's kinda because it was so repetitive, so I kinda just clipped most dropped attempts. Yeah, holy shit, this video is so long already, stop yapping. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a new artist soon. My friend is starting Black Lizard, and well, I've been going for Black Lizard for a decent bit. I'm probably gonna actually put more time into it. Yeah. Goodbye. Insert subscribe please screen right now.